My name is Akiva Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates, and we received a question about whether or not it makes sense to ask for custody or guardianship. In most cases involving parents, any request of the court is probably going to be a custody request. Guardianship is more a thing that grandparents or other relatives might ask, as opposed to trying to get custody from a biological parent. Remember one thing, the court is there to serve you. And the court is there to try and help you, but you help yourself by giving the court a request that it can easily grant. The more complicated the request, the less likely the court is going to be able to grant it to you so easily. Custody in and of itself is a very tall order. When you want to switch custody from one person to another, the court has about a dozen factors it has to go through to determine what's in the best interest of the child. And those factors are unevenly weighted. And there may be multiple contested hearings that have to take place in order to establish that. Guardianship, on the other hand, is a much smaller order. Those are lower hanging fruits. If what you seek is simple guardianship, which is designed to be temporary and ultimately there would be a unification with biological parents and that would be the goal, it is much easier for the court to give a temporary guardianship. And that's particularly the case if, for example, a biological parent can't be found, or one can be found but is unavailable because of incarceration or addiction or something like that, and the other one is dead. You know, in a situation like that, it's very easy in court to say, okay, grandparent, okay, uncle, okay, older brother, I'm going to give you a temporary order allowing you to have guardianship of the child so that you can put the child in school, make medical decisions, all the important stuff, and we'll do that on a temporary basis. That is much easier for the court to grant than taking custody from one and giving it to another. So that's a perfect circumstance where such a request should be not one for custody, but one for guardianship. If you have any questions about that, reach out. Of course, we'll be glad to help you out. You can write in questions if you want to. We'll be glad to address them on the air. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share.